This is how to start sprint in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, go to search and click boards. We will use a Scrum board. So this is my Scrum board, dev board. And we will go to backlog. And from here, I have two backlogs. So I'll just drag this to this dev sprint 2 and just click start sprint. You can set the duration, let's say 3 weeks, or you can choose custom. So let's choose 3 weeks and write your sprint goal. So to fix bugs and finish login feature and just click start. So this is how to start sprint in Jira.